How to fix the audio is not working on your Dell laptop. So if you're not hearing any audio or you're having sound issues, now to fix them you'll need to right click on your speaker icon in the taskbar, and then you want to click on Open Sound Settings, and then click on the drop down next to or under Output Device, and make sure to select your main output device or your laptop speakers in this case. You can also select headset or other output devices if you have output devices connected. Next, you want to make sure the master volume is turned up so that you can hear the audio and it's not being at 0%. Next, you can click on the Troubleshoot button or Troubleshoot Common Sound Problems if you are in Windows 11. Now click on Yes and wait for it to run the diagnostics in your device to find problems. During this test, you will hear a beep, so you can select here if you heard it or not. And if everything is good, it should tell you that the audio is working and you're able to hear your sound, which means the audio is working. You can close out of this window. Next, you want to open up the sound control panel. You can click on the right side if you're in Windows 10, or you can click on more sound settings if you are in Windows 11. It should be under this page right here. Next, you want to go to the sound tab. Make sure this is set to Windows default and is not set to no sound. Next, you want to go to recording, and from here find your mic. Make sure it's enabled, the main microphone. And for the playback, you want to enable your laptop speakers. So for example, the Realtek audio. Right click on it and make sure it's enabled. And you can hit the test button to hear a noise to see if it's working. And then you want to right click on the device, go to properties, and then go to levels, and make sure the audio levels are somewhere where you can hear, not at 0. And same for the sides, if your device supports sides or surround audio. Next, you want to go to advanced and make sure to select the same bitrate or the same frequency that is supported by your speakers or device. Usually 84,000 Hertz is the default value. And then you can click on the apply button and then click on OK. Also, you want to go to the communication tab and make sure to set this to everything, do nothing, instead of basically reducing the audio whenever a communication is detected, so which might affect the audio levels. Next, you can click on OK and close this. Now you want to right click on the audio icon and then open up the volume mixer. And from here, you want to make sure that you have your volumes up for whatever application that you're using, in case if you're not hearing audio in specific application. Also make sure your speaker device is selected here and the audio is up to a level where you can hear them for the apps and whatever games or anything you're trying to hear audio on. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you in the next one.